Hello, my name is Najwa Soraya. This is Project 1 Syntax. Part 1. Parts of speech and diagram. Number 1 is noun. Mentioning people, place, things, or ideas. The example like table, cats, or Mr. Johnson. Number 2, pronouns. Type. The first is subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Second, object pronouns like me, him, her, us, and them. Third, possessive. Me, your, his, their. 3 is verb. It's expressing action, condition, or state. Example like run, think, is, feel, and the types like action, linking, such as is or seems. Helping verbs is like have, do, can, must. Number 4 is adjective. This describes noun or pronouns. Answer what kind, which one, how many, how much. And example like old, young, smart, tall. This includes articles like a, and, the, and proper adjective. Number 5 is adverb. Explaining verbs, adjective, or other adverbs. Answering how, when, where, to, what. Extend many adverbs and in li. Example, quickly, very, never, tomorrow. There are also intensifier adverbs like extremely, quite, really. Number 6, preposition. Show the relationship between noun or pronoun and other parts of the sentence. The example is in, on, under, because of, in front of. Forming prepositional phrase, for example, on the table. 7. Conjunction. Connection words or clauses. Coordinating like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, and then correlative. That's like either, or, neither, nor. Subordinating like because, although, while. And the last is conjunctive adverbs. This is like however, therefore, and nevertheless. Number 8, interjection. Expression of emotion usually followed by an exclamation mark or comma. The example like wow, oh, hey, ouch. And part 2, syntax tree diagram analysis. This is the tree diagram analysis. Number 1, the book that was recommended by the professor has been borrowed by several students. S stands for sentence. The sentence consists of 2 main components. NP or noun praise, the book that was recommended by the professor, and TP or tense praise that has been borrowed by several students. Part 1, NP, the book that was recommended by the professor. This is a complex noun phrase. The book is the head noun modified by a relative clause that was recommended by the professor. CP or complementizer phrase, a relative clause describing book. That is a C or complementizer. The TP under it expresses was recommended by the professor. The subject here is an empathy NP because it is conferential with that. And the part 2, TP has been borrowed by several students. This is the main predicate of the sentence. The sentence is present perfect passive, has auxiliary for perfect, been auxiliary for passive, borrowed, past participle of the main verb, and the agent in passive voice is by several students. And overall meaning, main subject is the book that was recommended by the professor. Main predicate has been borrowed by several students, and this is a passive sentence stating that a book recommended by the professor has been borrowed by some students. This is the diagram number 2. Although the match was delayed due to rain, the players continue their warm-up routine. Main structure is as. The top S stands for the main sentence. The sentence is divided into two major parts, SBER or the subordinate clause, and S is the main clause. SBER or subordinate clause, conjunction although, the subordinating conjunction although indicates contrast. S or subject is this is a full sentence structure inside the SBER or subordinate clause. So the match was delayed due to rain. The players is subject, and then continue verb. Their warm-up routine is direct object. So the players continue their warm-up routine. The sentence expresses contrast or concision. Even though the match was delayed due to rain, the players still continue their warm-up. This is diagram number 3. The new regulation were announced by the government after the economy showed signs of instability. This sentence consists of noun phrase, the new regulation, and verb phrase were announced by the government after the economy showed sign of instability. Part 1 is noun phrase. This is subject of the sentence. This is a noun phrase functioning as the subject. The head noun is regulation. It is modified by determiner D and adjective new. Part 2, verb phrase or predicate of the sentence. Main verb phrase is disuse a passive construction where announced where is the auxiliary verb for passive voice, and announced is the past participle of the main verb. And first prepositional phrase is by the government is the agent in the passive voice, and second prepositional phrase or adverbial of time. This is after the economy shows signs of instability is an adverbial clause of time, and the embedded sentence content subject is the economy, predicate is shown signs of instability, and sign is the direct object of showed, and of instability is a prepositional phrase modifying signs. And overall, the sentence represent is the new regulation were announced by the government after the economy shown signs of instability. This is a passive sentence stating that the government announced some new regulation. The announce occurred after the economy exhibits signs of instability. The sentence includes both passive voice construction and an adverbial time clause introduced by after. This is diagram number 4. The man who was arrested last night had been hiding in the abandoned warehouse for weeks. The sentence consists of a noun phrase, the man who was arrested last night. A verb phrase is had been hiding in the abandoned warehouse for weeks. Part 1 is noun phrase. It is subject of the sentence. This is a complex noun phrase. Head noun is a man. It is modified by a relative clause introduced by the complementizer who. The clause describes the man. The embedded sentence contains an empty noun phrase understood as who, acting as the subject of the relative clause. Verb phrase was read last night. Was is an auxiliary verb for passive voice, and rested is the main verb in participle. Last night is an adverbial phrase modifying the verb. Part 2. Verb phrase is predicate of the sentence. This is a verb phrase in the perfect progressive tense. Passive in form but active in meaning. Had been hiding is a multi-word verb form. Had is perfect auxiliary verb. Been is progressive auxiliary verb, and hiding is present participle main verb. The verb is modified by two prepositional phrase. In the abandoned warehouse indicates place, includes a noun phrase. The abandoned warehouse for weeks indicates duration. And this is tree diagram number 5. The big girl saw a lizard with a lovable panda recently. The sentence consists of a noun phrase is the big girl, and a verb phrase is saw a lizard with a lovable panda recently. Part 1 is noun phrase, subject of the sentence. This is a simple noun phrase serving as the subject. The head noun is girl. It is modified by a determiner D and adjective big. Part 2 is verb phrase or predicate of the sentence. The main verb is saw. It takes a direct object, Eliezer, which is a proper noun functioning as a noun phrase. There are two modifiers that provide additional information about the action. Prepositional phrase with a lovable panda describe what accompanied Eliezer or what was involved in the action. Contains a noun phrase, a lovable panda with a determiner and adjective. Adverbial phrase recently specifies time or recency of the event. Conclusion. Understanding the types of words is very important in learning English because all sentences consist of these 8 types of words. By recognizing the function of each word class, such as nouns to name objects, verbs to express action, and conjunction to connect ideas, we can form clear, precise, and effective sentence. This mystery is not only important for writing and speaking, but also for reading comprehension and overall grammar. And this is the reference. Thank you.